What up, guys? So today is gonna be a special day. Today I got a new parcel in my hand. So I'm gonna unbox this. So I ordered from Harvey Norman. This is the iPhone 12 Pro Max Silver. I actually wanted to pre-order the gold version of it, but at the time the pre-order it was out of stock, so I ordered the silver version of it, and I think it's gonna be pretty cool. I'm totally excited about it. I'm gonna unbox it straight away. It's the simple packaging over here. It's already looking so amazing, man. So there you go, guys. iPhone 12 Pro Max. So it's in the silver. You can see the iPhone and the logo is in the silver. So yeah, actually the packaging, the cover itself is way much smaller compared to the previous one, like 50%, more than 50% smaller. There you go. Not here again, but I think it's damn, this looks amazing. Look at the size, bro. The phone is so slick, so slim, and the stainless steel over here, and so shiny. The camera bump, oh, the camera itself is so large compared to the 11 Pro Max. I think the camera module is a little bit larger. You can see the LiDAR sensor over here. Amazing, bro. Alright guys, so this was the phone. USB Type-C and the lightning cable. Some of the we got only one stickers here, SIM injector, and a couple of paperwork over here. That's pretty much it. That's all we got in the box. The iPhone, the SIM card injector, the stickers, and the USB cable. That's pretty much it. So that's the unboxing of the new iPhone 12 Pro Max Silver. Hope you guys like it. Thanks for watching. Peace.